Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today in our shop we have a 2010 Nissan Murano, and we're going to be replacing the cargo net hook. Now we sell these on our webpage, so if you need one, click on the link below and head on over. First thing I'm going to do is open up the trunk, find the location of where the old one disappeared. It's right there. The new ones come, see how it's raised up? Don't push that button down until you've put it in place. So you're just going to locate, line up the mounting hole and push that down. And you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.